This is amazing. Was she trying to eat them? Or they trying to go into her mouth? Because they used to be in the mother's mouth that I just stripped them from. See, this is why I don't like stripping fish. Those babies want to be inside there. I don't think she's trying to eat them. Obviously, she could have ate all 5 of those babies just now, okay? First of all. The thing is, they think that they still supposed to be in there. But they free swimming, so they not afraid of her. Now, the question is, that one that was in her mouth earlier, did she scoop that fish up when I came in here? Because that's what they do. In case y'all want to see one of the babies. That's what they look like. Okay, there should be around 40 of them in this tank underneath these rocks. But here she goes again. Let's see if I can catch that little phenomenon again. See, she clearly not trying to eat them. See how softly she tried to put it in her mouth? If she could have easily opened her mouth, inhaled the water in front of her like they do, and sucked that fish in with the quickness. Okay, if you don't know fish, you may have never seen how they do that. They can take a big, they could suck the fish in. So I don't know for sure that one I saw in her mouth was. Can't think it was alive though. The way she had it, but you know how this is a mom. She could hold those softly. She could also just be hungry and, I know she got a mouthful of eggs, so she's not eating. I don't know. I really don't know. I hope I'm not sacrificing Fry right now. I mean, I don't care. I don't, care about selling them or anything like that. I just hope I'm not sacrificing them to a death wish. That would totally defeat the purpose of letting these fish stay in the mom's mouth for 30 days like I did. Alright, this video's getting long, so I'm going to stop it for a little while. I mean, she got a gazillion babies in her mouth. I see that right now. Man, I wish I could have caught that. I was fumbling around looking for the camera button. It was like 20 babies right on the front of her mouth. That was pretty sweet. I'll get in and try to change my angle a little bit so I can see some of these guys. Okay, here she goes again. Watch them, they're going to try to go into that mouth. She is not even going to try it.